Hey everybody, today's video is a 1963 Streamline Duke. This is really pretty. So I'm going to show you the outside first. Look at that shine. And then we'll walk around the back here. It's got an awning that matches the blue. Look how pretty it is. I love the shiny campers, I just don't want to do the work of it, so I don't think I'd ever get one. Too much work for me, but look how gorgeous that is. Alright, I'm going to take you inside. The owner does not want to be on camera, so I'm just going to show you everything. Alright, here we go. There will be a picture at the end of the video that'll tell you what they did to it, and it has a before and after pictures. And look how nice this is. It's kind of like a beach house in here. Curved ceiling. It looks like everything was redone. Yep, definitely beach theme. Look at the cabinet pulls. Really nice. Got a little fold down table there. Good size refrigerator over here. And then in here is the twin beds that we see a lot. Lots of storage over top. Shelves on each side. There's the living room from this view and the kitchen area. More storage up top, and then the bathroom. Very bright because everything's done in white. Cute little nightlight there. That's the loo. Yeah, very nice. And there's a closet, and then over here is another closet. The mirror. Okay everybody, that is it for today. Looks like they've got magnets on the ceiling that hold the cabinet doors open. Good idea. So that's it for today. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And subscribe so you don't miss any videos. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.